I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone actually supports USB on the go. This matters because OTG requires hardware and kernel support. Once done, enable USB debugging and inspect the OTG adapter and cable for visible damage or lint, because poor contacts cause failures. Plug a basic device like a flash drive or wired mouse. This isolates power and protocol problems early. Make sure to use a reliable adapter rated for OTG rather than a passive splitter, and keep your device unlocked while testing. You now move into diagnostic steps so you can see why the connection fails. First, determine if the peripheral needs more current. If it does, attach a powered hub because many phones cannot supply enough power. Then confirm the device file system. Android often mounts FAT32 or XFAT but not NTFS without drivers, so reformat or test on PC. If it still fails, use a terminal or OTG diagnostics app to read kernel messages and USB device ID to pinpoint driver or enumeration. You finish by applying fixes informed by diagnostics. Install an OTG supporting file manager or driver package, switch to MTP or PTP mode, and grant storage permissions when prompted because Android blocks mounts without consent. If kernel lacks drivers, consider a vetted custom ROM or kernel update only if you understand risks. Otherwise, stop. Finally, verify with a different phone and adapter to rule out hardware. If nothing works, backup data and perform a factory reset as the last resort. A powered hub often resolves stubborn power issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.